Hi, this is Dr. TF, and now we'll go ahead with the next program on Swift. And what the next program of Swift, we have already seen what are functions and how to declare that one, and now we'll see something on a particular named function in Swift. Okay, it's called as a simple closure or simply as closures. Okay, so to declare that one, you need to write this is a syntax for you. Okay, you just put simple closure. Okay, so this is the syntax for that particular named function. Okay, so in contrast to the functions that we discussed before, we have a keyword called as func, okay, followed by the name of the function. But for simple closure alone, we need not to put any kind of keyword like func. It is a named function already. So what is a closure? Okay, it is nothing but it's a self-contained block of functionality. Okay, already all the functionality are contained in it, or a kind of a block programming that is there in Swift. Okay, it is similar to what you have blocks in C or C++ or another language like kind of lambda or kind of things. Okay, so it has functionality within itself, so you need not write any kind of func keyword or something like that. And there is a small difference between what is a function and what is a closure. Okay, so something function and closure are semantically just the same thing. Okay, but it's a closure is going to have a static name. It's not going to change. You cannot change the name of a closure here, but function you can have whatever name you want to. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go ahead. This is how you can call a simple closure, and you can write things within simple closure, which I'll tell you here. Okay, so use a let keyword, okay, to identify if it's going to be a simple closure function. Okay, we'll just put that word simple closure, which is a reserved word here to be used only for closure blocks in Swift. Okay, and we'll put a equal to. I put a word equal to here, which is there in the syntax, and you can try to define a function here. Got it? So simple closure can take a function kind of values. Okay, for simplicity, we'll just put a print statement, and let's just put it inside closure, simple as that. Got it? And we'll just save it. So what you have done is simple, the same function programming which you have seen before, but there's a small, semantically the same, but there's a small differences. We have used this keyword simple closure. Okay, so it's similar to blocks in C, nothing more than that. Okay, first we'll select a file. I think I've saved it in function program itself. Okay, so it's successfully compiled. We'll run it. So inside closure. Okay, so we're just calling it here. This is a calling block here, and this is a called block. Okay, we'll use a let keyword here at the start, followed by the keyword simple closure, and equal to is a mandatory syntax, and inside the curly bracket you can put whatever you want to achieve the functionality. Okay, so that's about simple closure here in Swift, and we'll go ahead with the next program in the following tutorials. Feel free to let me know what you feel about whatever that I'm taking to you. Okay, see you then. Tata, bye bye.